AI engineering, one of the most lucrative area of current age AI development. In this video, I am going to tell you, based on your situation, what are the different approaches you can take to become an AI engineer. Welcome to Unfold Data Science. My name is Aman and I am a data scientist. If you like my content guys, whether it is technical videos or podcasts or these kind of videos, please press the like button and drop me comments so that I know and create more of similar content. Let's dive into the video. In today's world, if I have to learn something, I have 4 or 5 different ways in which I can do it. The very first way is I can go to any AI tool and I can start asking, I want to learn AI engineering, suggest me what are the topics in one particular area. And before this also I can ask, what are the areas I should focus on. That is the very basic way in which anybody can learn any topic in today's world. But we are going to discuss 3 different ways in which you should approach a complex area such as AI engineering depending on your situation, right? So you might be a data scientist, or you might be an AI person, or you might be somebody who is not into data science, not into AI, etc. Just see what is your situation and then align yourself to what you want to do right now. So the first way to learn is free way. So that is completely free. I am going to give you some links. You can go there. You can learn AI engineering end to end without any problem. And for using that also, right, you need to have some knowledge on what to learn, right? And that also will come from one of these AI tools. So for example, right now I have asked, in AI engineering, give me 20 topics on mathematics and statistics. To this tool, I can also ask, give me the entire syllabus of what to learn in AI engineering, and I can give some context on this is my situation. So I know this, I know that, I have 5+ years experience in data science, I have some experience in AI. So let's try writing one such prompt. For example, I am a data scientist with 10 years EXP. Now want to move to AI engineering. Show me complete path with resources. Okay, so this is one valid way of learning something in today's world. As you can see, it has started giving roadmap, what courses you should take, and many other details. So all in all, what you can do is, in this first approach, right, imagine that you are somebody who doesn't know many things. So basically you should be learning things from the scratch, right? So you should learn what is machine learning, you should learn what is deep learning, many things. So what I have done is, I have created an Excel here. In this Excel, I have just listed these stages. For example, maths foundation. I'll share this Excel with you. Python programming, okay, then machine learning, then deep learning, and so on and so forth. I have put MLOps, I have put generative AI, I have put project and practice, and I have put resume and job hunting. I do not want to confuse you guys, so I have given just maximum 2 links in each of these categories. Remember, we are talking about learning AI engineering from scratch without paying even 0 rupees. That is the first approach we are taking. So in this first approach, the very first thing, imagine that you are somebody who doesn't have any background, right? You must know mathematics, you must know Python programming, you must know basics of machine learning, you must know deep learning. If you are somebody who has never seen MLOps, you must know MLOps, then Gen AI, then projects and practice, of course, and then resume and job hunting. I am saying go and do this in Chat GPT. So what are these links? So let's quickly see this. So I am saying for maths foundation, go to 3 blue 1 brown, right? So 3 blue 1 brown, you can go and which topic you will search here. This is a huge channel, right? Which topic you will search here. So for searching that topic, this is where my first prompt that I was showing you comes handy. I am learning AI engineering, give me 20 most important topics in maths and stats to learn. Now you know these are the topics you should know. So go to one of these free resources, search those topics and learn it. So for mathematics, you can go to 3 blue 1 brown channel or Khan Academy. Both of these you can go and search your topics and learn for free, right? And similarly, in different categories, whatever links I have given you, right? For Python, so Python, I have given you one video, one complete video. This is Learn Python full course for beginners by freecodecamp.org. You can simply go to this channel. This is a long course actually. So if I skip ad, right, you will see 4 hours and 26 minutes. And for beginner it's very good course, so you can go and learn on this. And here 1.1 million likes is there, so it's a good course. All of these things that I'm telling you is available on Unfold Data Science as well. If you like my training style, if you like my teaching style, it's very simple. Go here and say Unfold Data Science Python playlist, okay, or Unfold Data Science Mathematics playlist. You will find a playlist. If you like my teaching style, you can simply go here and watch all 17 videos, right? Or it depends on you, you can go here and watch this one that I'm giving you. Totally depends on you, but I'm just trying to give you what all you can do free of cost. You can do free of cost. Everything comes at some pros and cons, right? So free of cost has its own problems. So here if I go, right, this is again Real Python is another Python resource. You should see this Coursera Andrew NG course is free. You must pay attention to this course for machine learning. For deep learning, you can go to Deep Learning AI. Again, topics you can search from Gen AI tool, and those topics you can watch here. Then welcome to PyTorch tutorials by PyTorch. Very useful for you. You must see this if you want to get started with PyTorch and learn that. Then here the full stack deep learning, you can learn more about how to build MLOps and related applications. All these links are there in Excel, don't worry. Made with ML, you can see for MLOps, okay. Hugging Face transformers for, of course, generative AI. All courses on deeplearning.ai is free of cost. You can go and search for any course that you want to see. Short course, medium course, beginner, intermediate, whatever, and you can do these courses. Okay, this is a very good repository. I use it a lot actually. And then on Kaggle, you can do related competitions. On GitHub, you can search for that topic and read about those projects, those areas, right? So I have given you all the links in this section for if you want to do everything for free of cost. And you can go to ChatGPT and you can ask, this is what I want to learn, guide me through resume process, guide me through job hunting, guide me through this, guide me through that. Everything you can do, okay, on ChatGPT. This is a completely free approach, but the problem with completely free approach is nobody is there to guide you. Nobody is there to tell you what projects to build, what will make sense for your resume. You cannot ask a cross question. You do not have a group. You do not have a peer group. Many problems with self-learning, but that comes at zero cost. That is the best case, right? Second option that you can take is you can go to any of the marketplace such as Udemy or Coursera, and you can search for some paid course on AI engineering, right? So just like you can do those things on Udemy or Coursera, you can do those things on Super Data Science as well. So Super Data Science is a platform where 3 million learners are there, and it's a like best selling platform on Udemy for AI and data science courses. So you can go and take this. I'll give you a link in the description with discount coupons. You can take this and you can take the AI engineering essentials course here. So there are 50 plus courses, but now we are talking about AI engineering, right? So here AI engineering course you can take, AI engineering essentials you can take 1 and 2, and that will be great start for you in a structured way. You can ask queries, there will be a peer group, and you can get your structured learning done using these courses. So these courses you can do on Super Data Science or on Udemy or on Coursera, wherever you want. Go and take a AI engineering course. That is your option 2. In this option, you get a structured learning, you get to build some projects. But the problem with these approaches are, it's basically one kind of design that you have to follow. So for example, if this course is built, right, so in that course you have to go and do follow that structure, do that course, do that project. So the third option, and my favorite and the best option that you can do, is if you are really serious about learning AI engineering, right, what you can do is you can enroll for some courses or some boot camps where you get to learn from the experts. For example, this is one boot camp. I'm not telling you should attend this boot camp only, but I'm just trying to tell you live boot camps with experts. That will make a huge difference. And for example, this bootcamp that you are seeing on the screen, right? This is a 8-week AI engineering bootcamp. In week 1 to week 4, mastering generative AI and agentic AI workflow by Ed Donner. Now let me show you who is Ed Donner. So I have opened the profile here on LinkedIn. As you can see, co-founder and CTO of Nebula.io, repeat co-founder of AI startups, speaker and advisor on Gen AI and LLM engineering. So very well known name in the world of generative AI and agentic AI and AI engineering, etc. And you will learn live from Ed Donner plus Sam Baston, who is an AWS expert from Australia. Week 5 to 8 will be taken by Sam, and week 1 to 4 will be taken by Ed Donner. And the cohort starts on 29th of September. This is by Super Data Science team only. But these two will be your main trainers or main persons who will be training you live in live bootcamp. If you want to know more details of these bootcamps, right, you can go to Super Data Science Bootcamp, and here build and deploy AI applications in 8 weeks. This is an intense course, guys. This is not something that you can do, very casually and very lightly. This is something that is intense, and you can see the curriculum here. Week 1 is mindset and model select. So everything is advanced, basically. Nothing is basic beginner level. And the intention is quite simple, to make you AI engineering ready, job ready, basically. And then production ready applications will be built, memory and security will come into picture, RAG in production, AWS how, and then capstone project. So this is basically a high end thing, but if you are serious about it, you must do this, right? And this is an expensive one as well. I can help you with some coupons on this as well. So below this video you can write me comment that when is the course, and I can help you with some coupons. But this is an expensive one, and this is a real one actually. So it will be a fast paced, depth will be high, and experts, I already showed you profile of the experts, right? So this is your third way in which you just go all in. You put the money, you put the time, you put the effort, you go all in, and when you come out, you just become an AI engineer. And from the last batch, right, I know this batch very well because I work with Super Data Science very closely. So there was a batch before this. This is the second batch, I think. And 3 people out of 12 people, they just take 12 people in one batch. So 3 people out of 12 people have already got placed, and rest are in like final stages of their placement, or you can say job changing. So it's a real intense thing, and it's a real critical thing if you want to go all in. Okay, so 3 different ways of becoming an AI engineer from scratch, guys. Go one by one, pick topics, keep learning, keep doing, and then keep asking ChatGPT, keep coming back to the resources, and then slowly you will reach there. Second one is go to any of the renowned places, Udemy, Coursera, anywhere, or Super Data Science, take some AI engineering course. And third one, if you are really serious, right, if you are really want something real, something intense, something deep, then don't give it a second thought. Go for this 8-week AI engineering bootcamp on Super Data Science. As I told you, you just drop me your email ID or your interest, and I'll reply to you through email. Or you can simply mail me at unfolddataScience@gmail.com. Just mail me unfolddataScience@gmail.com that you are interested in this bootcamp, you want to know the prices, and you want to know the coupons, etc. I will just respond to you. But remember, this starts in like 26th of September only. Okay, so you have less time, but again, for the next cohort you can consider. And if you like the content, guys, please press the like button and give me a thumbs up. Drop me below the comment if you want to know more about AI engineering or anything else, and I'll see you all in the next video, guys.